Welcome back to another quick guide. Today we'll walk you through how to post on Reddit with pictures. To post on Reddit with pictures, we have two basic methods for you. First method, using the Reddit app. Open the Reddit app, tap the plus button at the bottom center of the screen. Choose the subreddit where you want to post. Then tap the image icon. Then choose the pictures from your gallery. Then hit add. Then hit next. Here, add a title to your post, and if needed, some tags in the description box or body. Add tags and flair. And tap post to share your image on Reddit. Last method, using a mobile browser. Open your preferred mobile browser and go to the Reddit website. Log into your Reddit account and navigate to the subreddit where you want to post. Tap the Create Post button, usually at the top of the subreddit or the plus icon. Choose image or video as the post type. Upload the pictures by selecting them from your device's gallery. Then hit add. Add a title and optional description. Tap post to upload your image. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.